Hello everyone. Feeling lost in the sea of these confusing keywords, ampersand, star, pointers, pass by value, pass by reference? This video is for you. In this video, we will understand these pointers and references in great detail. So let's get started. I'll just write one simple statement saying int I is equals to 10. So we have created one variable of type int whose value is 10. In the memory, it can be written as a box that is stored in the memory. The name of the box is I. It is stored at some address. So I'll call it 1000. And the value of that I is 10 that we place inside the box. So inside the box, we will place the value. And then here its address would be there. Similarly, if I write int star ptr is equals to null. Simple statement. How can we represent this in the terms of memory? We'll create one box. Its name is ptr. Because this box is created in the memory, it would have its address. Let's say 2000. Now inside it, it's nothing. There is simple null. So we'll write null. Now what is ptr? We are saying ptr will contain something in it that will help us going towards an integer. That is the meaning of the second line. Now how to connect these two? To connect these two, we have to know what is the address of I. How to get the address of I. How to get address. Always remember, to get the address of any variable, we just have to write and the name of that variable I. Let's say and I. If we see out this and I, we will get that this variable would have some address that is 1000. The output should be 1000. That means in order to get the address of I, we'll just write and I, and we have to put that address into our pointer in order to make that connection. So we will write ptr is equals to and of I. That means in the ptr, earlier it was null, we will write and of I, that is 1000. So we will cross this null and we will put 1000 instead. When we put 1000, we introduced one link, that is at pointer ptr there is this 1000. That what is that 1000 points to? This memory here which have 10 in it. Now how to get this data? We have created the link using and I. How to get this data? Let's say if I write cout ptr, cout and ptr, what does the output look like? Cout ptr means what, when we write just the name of the variable, what is inside it. Inside the ptr there is this 1000. So output of this should be 1000. Cout and ptr, that means the address of ptr. Where is the address? Here. So and ptr, it will give us 2000. How to go from this pointer towards this variable's value, that is I, is using this star ptr, that is dereferencing. We are saying whatever is at ptr. What is the ptr? 1000. We'll write here ptr's value, that is 1000, and then the star. What is at 1000? 1000's value is 10. So we will say the output would be 10. So whenever we write ctr star ptr, what we are saying is, what is the ptr's value? 1000 star 1000. What is at that 1000? 10. So this will give us the output as 10. Now this is the whole concept. Now I have created some examples. We will dry run this and see what would be the output of these scenarios. So we will create one x saying the value of the x would be 20 because x is stored at somewhere, let's say 1000, we'll call it 1000. Then we have created another pointer that is pointing towards int. So we will create this box as ptr. In this ptr, because it has been created, it would have its address, let's say 2000. In this address, we are putting and of x. What is and of x? The address of x, that is 1000. So we have put it like this. Now the next thing is int star pptr. We are creating another variable saying pptr. It would be stored somewhere in the memory, so it would have its own address, that is 3000. What we are putting inside it is and of ptr. What is and of ptr? ptr's address, that is 2000. By creating this, if you see, we have created a link. ptr's value is 2000, that is here. 2000 has the value of 1000, that is going towards here, and 1000 has a value 20. So pptr is a pointer that contains another pointer that is pointing towards the integer. That's why we have two stars here. pptr is a pointer that is going towards value where it is pointing towards int. So it's a double pointer instead. So to understand this better, we will just solve these things. What is the cout x? What is in the x? That is 20. The output would be 20. What is and of x? That means address of x. Address of x is 1000. So answer would be 1000. You can pause the video here and try to get your answers, and then you can match it. Cout PTR. What is PTR? What is in PTR? PTR's value is 1000. So that's why its output would be 1000. Cout PPTR. What is inside the PPTR? The value, that is 2000. We'll write 2000. Star PPTR. That means PPTR. We'll write PPTR's value, that is 2000, and then star of that. What is at 2000? That is 1000. So output of star PPTR would be 1000. Right? Moving on. Now the next part is star PPTR. What does this mean? Star PPTR. This means we will write PPTR's value first. We will write star. What is PPTR's value? 2000. What is at 2000? Star 2000. What is at 2000? That is 1000. So we'll cut it and write 1000. What is at star 2000? That means what is at 1000? 20. So star PTR will instead gives us 20 as an answer. Then Cout and PPTR. What is the address of PPTR? 3000. The output would be 3000. So this is the assessment and outputs are there. So let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section, if you want me to cover more examples in it, and thanks for watching.